Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your runtime. Run Python 3 version to know which interpreter you have. Once done, make a project folder and CD into it so files and dependencies stay organized. Then create and activate a virtual environment, Python 3 mvenv. Venv, source. Venv/bin/activate because isolation prevents system package conflicts. Make sure to use the same interpreter for venv and scripts, and keep commands short and deliberate so your environment is reproducible. You now execute code and manage dependencies. Run Python myscript, py or add a shebang hash, /usr/bin/env python 3 and chmod +x to run, /myscript, py directly. Once activated, pip install packages you need and record them with pip freeze requirements. TXT so others can reproduce your environment. If your script needs inputs, pass command line args and parse them with argparse. This makes automation and testing straightforward. Also, run tests or small prints to verify behavior before advancing. You wrap up by inspecting behavior in the REPL, launch Python or Python iScript, py to explore variables interactively, which is great for debugging. When done, deactivate the virtual environment with deactivate and commit requirements. TXT so others can install identical packages. If something fails, read the traceback carefully, rerun with increased verbosity, and add strategic prints. Also use pip check to reveal dependency conflicts. This systematic approach reduces guesswork and helps you fix errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.